So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about," which I was talking about AI art, whatever. He's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea, like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI art to generate some hair stuff. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1, Miropelia is book 2, and I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programming stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. You're just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're gonna put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something like that. Or you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody's like, oh, I'm a nerd. And they're like Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's like everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd, that means no one's a nerd. Come on down to WordPress town and hang out with good old Orbem Order and his scotch. You know what we do here. We party. Macs are good. They're just solid. They're kind of just like dependable more than anything. I mean, if you want control over your system at all, don't get a Mac. If you want to can overclock and go beyond the capabilities of a normal computer, don't get a Mac. It is what it is. It's as is, you know what I mean? It's just, you know, all the companies I've worked for, they just provide a MacBook Pro when you start working for them, so you kind of get used to it. When I was doing my freelance days and when I had to provide my own machines, I always had a PC laptop, or I never wanted to shell out for the money. Now it's very important. It allows me to trimulcast, you know, 3 different places at the same time. Linux, I've never used Linux, honestly. I know a lot of people do, and a lot of people like it. Especially with, you know, it's come a long way. I've never learned or done anything that I wasn't getting paid for. There's only so much time in the world, so much time in your life. I'll be honest, I was working for my first real job where I was post-production coordinator. I was doing like high volume photo retouching, and I was driving an hour there and back. I was stuck in traffic all the time, and I got a motorcycle, and even that wasn't that great. You know, I'd get there quicker and stuff, but the work was just so stale, and I wanted to be a web developer. And I got in a motorcycle accident, crushed my foot, ended up having to go to the hospital, and I was in the hospital for a week. Other than when they were trying to reset the bones and stuff, it was probably the best experience I had in a while. Just laying in bed for a week, people bringing me food, just knowing that I had the ultimate excuse to not work and like reset. I felt like this is great. Like, I need this break. And I knew I wasn't going to get it unless it was forced on me, because I never took time off on vacations. I'm still that way. It's really hard for me to take time off. It's harder on me. Great. If you're really worried about, you know, your interactions online, get a VPN, and then say you're coming from the UK, because every website, I'm a website. What up, man? Thanks for stopping by. Always appreciated. All right, we got you on the list. It looks like Indy is here, lurking. How about some music? Oh man, happy Friday. Ooh, we made it, everybody. Woo! Come on. Friday Town. Very excited. You know, I like my Fridays. I also talk poorly of Fridays as well, because it just kind of reminds me that, you know, the weekend's starting, and that means it's going to end. Very pessimistic attitude towards the weekend. Let's say goodbye to the heads. How about that? Goodbye. Goodbye. And bye-bye. There we go. All right. Yeah, man. What is going on? Do 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 do. Just trying to get set up here. Don't care about you. Alright. That'll twerk. Oh yeah. You've been trying to stream more on the weekends over the last month? Nice. Yeah, I don't stream on the weekends. I used to, but I always do stuff later on the weekends, you know, with the family, and, you know, everyone stays up later, so I end up having to stream later, which means I have to, you know, finish stream later, and then I just don't get enough sleep, and, you know, I need a little bit of sleep to make up for the week. Because I'm up a little later during the week, you know, getting extra work done and stuff. But that's cool. If you have the ability, weekends are good. I like watching other people's streams on the weekend, so I'll hit yours up for sure. Was that walking one you did? Was that on the weekend? I think it was. Look at this. We got the katana working. Pretty cool. And if you hold the attack button, you get a berserker attack. Yeah. The last walking stream was Sunday. Okay, yeah. So I was right. Yeah, I just every time I see somebody, you know, pops in, I wanna say hi. So yeah, man, weekend streams are good. He is like a master swordsman. Insanity. Oh yeah, we've been working on weapons logic. I gotta add a little bit of the tatami mat tutorial, just to give you like an idea how to swing your sword. And that will, yeah, look kind of natural too. I added a transition, so when you move from left to right and up to down, kind of moves the sword a little bit too, so it looks a little smoother. So, my tatami mat. What is breaking here? Invalid JSON. Why is that doing that actually, now that I think about it? Oh, it's because I'm not logged in. And transportation's working well. Alright, where's my tatami mat? There it is. So I want to set up like 3 or 4 of these. And the mission is going to be, you know, practice. Do some sword training. Some kendo. And, oh good. The white went away from the sword on the bottom left here too. That's good. And so basically, I already tested this. It seems like I got it so it doesn't hit unless I actually swing. So, wow. And that'll go away. And I'll have 3 or 4 of these, and then once I do that, once I get rid of them, it'll unlock this door here. I'm gonna put a little blockade. I really have to make my room smaller. This is unrealistically massive. Yeah. I also need to come up with logic. Not right now, because the only time you go to the condo is after a cutscene. And that sends you there automatically. And then when you leave, it actually leads to another cutscene. Because I'll be triggering the cutscene before you even hit that door. So, that's not a big deal. But yeah, after that, another cutscene, I'll have to create one. And that's going to be the lead up to the boss fight. And it's going to take you to a room. That's going to be my lab. Kind of supersized a little bit so that it'll make it easier to fight. And, yeah. In the book, the boss fight takes place with Alistair and Graham. Graham is this guy right here. Alistair is the guy that tells all the scientists about, you know, the fact that everyone's gonna get purged. But I think just for the game, I'm just gonna leave it just Graham.
And I'm going to have to come up with a whole boss fight mechanics. And I think what I want to do is make it like a multi-phase boss battle where you have to utilize all your other characters as well. Like, you have to run fast, you have to walk through fire, or, you know, if he shoots fire at you, you can switch to Genie and then you'll be protected. And then, you know, maybe you can move stuff. Something like that. So yeah, that's going to be a whole new development in itself. But that'll definitely give me a lot of mechanics for other boss battles throughout Orbem. So that's, you know, it's not wasted time or one-offs or anything. Well, doesn't look like anybody is gonna appreciate this, but it's time for... What do you think it's time for? You guessed it. Exactly. All right. We did it. Yeah. Alright. So what we need to do for this. We already got the sword action going. That's fine. We're gonna need the mission, the blockade. Let's create those right now. Alright, the mission. It's going to be... So after collect your katana, it's gonna be... Start training, so... Practice kendo. That's probably what it's called. We're gonna be inside the condo. And we are going to attach this to tatami mats. So let's go, no, not weapons. Points, tatami post 1, 2, and 3. We'll do 3. So we'll do tatami post 1. Oh wait, is this how I should do it? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So we'll do that. And then we'll do... Wait, why didn't I add? Oh, that's search. My bad. Oh, we're doing the wrong damn thing. There we go. Oh, okay. Let's add a new one. Tatami post 2. Add. And then to tatami post 3. There we go. Grand. Okay. I'm pretty sure this is how it works. Because I know I have the... I'm gonna check the draggable items real quick, but I'm pretty sure this is how it works. So practice kendo. And that will trigger a cutscene, so I gotta create that. Yeah, let's double check. Which one is it? Move computer. Next mission. No, see, I don't. Okay, so that's not how I did it for this one. But all this one does, if you have the same next mission on multiples, that's what it is. Okay, okay. That's right. Yeah, that's not what I was doing. I'm doing where you have to interact with multiple things in order to complete the mission. Which is true. So how does that work? Let's go to the draggable item real quick. Grab computer. And mission complete. No. Mission complete. Yeah, completes that mission. Move the computer, and then the next mission. They all have the same next mission. Okay, that's how it works. Shit. But I need multiple things to happen before you can... Let's check out the timer ones, maybe. How does that work? I do... No. Point bar. Yeah. So let's look at the mission for that. And that's disarm rocket. Yeah, see, I attached multiple to it. Multiple points to it. And that's how it worked. Okay. Yeah, so I think I made that logic. Alright, well, let's duplicate the tatami mats. Do I have duplicate? I don't think I do. I really should. It's a very common thing. Boomer. New point. Point. Oh yeah. Let's keep this open. Heck yeah, man. I'll always chat when I'm on someone's stream. I don't lurk. I don't lurk on streams. Unless I'm just trying to be creepy. You know. Some streams you just can't talk. I definitely don't talk in like streams with 1,000 people watching. But yeah, I don't lurk when it's under 10 people or under 20 people. So I appreciate you chatting back with me. Tatami post. Dos post. That's funny. And then this goes in the condo. This is... Oh. Did I make this something? I know it's called breakable. Did I make it? Yeah, point. Point? Oh, I felt like it wasn't giving me a point. And I don't know why, actually. I'm going to have to figure that out. Breakable. You get very low amount of chatting in my stream. Oh. Interesting. I don't know why. Pretty entertaining. Always doing something. Willing to talk. So... I definitely need to actually come up with one more attack method. I need the strong attack. Because when you just click, it's normal, just slash, slash, slash. But the strong attack, I want it to kind of charge and then slash. And I want you to click the spacebar twice for that. Excuse me. That was a rough sneeze. Whew. F that. So maybe I'll do that. Each post, you have to hit it a different way. So, in order to break the first one, it's just a regular strike. In order to break the second one, it's going to be the heavy attack. And then the third one, maybe I'll do a light, heavy, and charge. Charge attack. Maybe. So I'm going to need 3 different mechanics for that. So it'll just be the standard click, click, click. I think we can do the strong one can be double click. And then charge will make hold. You hold it. And then when you let go, it does a charge attack. So I'm going to have to change the way that my punches work right now, my hits. Because right now, it's a key down event, and then it has a set timeout that resets it. Alright, we'll figure this out. So point, we'll just match the same. Just move it down a little bit. Because, what's the size of this thing? It's 35 by 20? No, 100 by 35. Hundo by 35. That's right. Wait a second. Oh, god damn it, I'm putting it in the drag vest. I always do that. Wrong area. Come on, dummy. Oh. Scroll. And then let's get rid of you and rid of you. I don't want to confuse. This is not a draggable item. Wait, 35? Is that what it was? And then what was I doing for points? 20. So for number 2, we'll make it 50. And then number 3, I'll make it 75 points. Whatever. Oh, Friday streams are the worst. There's so many streamers on right now. Never get anything. People don't just go looking around. And the normal people that come on stream usually are doing something. Friday nights. Okay, so that's good. Remove after cutscene. Okay, I think I remember what that's for. And this is for minigame. Yeah, I really need to put like instructions about what are these fields. That would be smart. Tooltips. I mean, once I make this a plugin, I'll do that, but for now, let's just be confused. Okay, so wait, it's 100 height, so I need to go like 120 down. So we'll go to 181 would be to like 200. Yeah, right. This one should be good. And then we'll add one more. It's the Tommy post 3. And let's add the post image. Put in the condo. It's going to be a point type. And we got 3200. So let's do 120, 3320. And then left is going to be the same. It's gonna be in like a straight line. Actually, I should move these over a little bit. So this one should go out a little bit. So we'll go maybe like 30 out, and then I'll go back in actually for this one. Height 100, width 35. Value will be a 75 points. Ooh, you lucky dog. And we'll make it breakable. And that's pretty much it, right? Yepper. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Larshy blows. Though it doesn't look like the left position took. They're in a straight line. Let me double check what's going on with that. Let's go up another 100. Burp. Maybe I just didn't save it. Yeah. Pop, pop. That's kind of how a tatami mat setup would be. For software and game development, Wednesdays and Thursdays are tied to the highest average viewers of 10. Yeah, Wednesdays and Thursdays are really good for my streams too, I think. So that makes sense. Tuesdays are okay. Mondays are pretty quiet. Worst is Friday though. Like Fridays are the days I just get work done. Don't have a lot of people coming on. Yeah, if you weren't here, it'd basically be nobody. I mean, it says, yeah, exactly, just 2. Not even the mighty Indy is here. Let's just make a quick announcement in the announcements. Super special secret reveal. Gotta see stream. See if that drags anybody over. Yeah, sometimes you have to lie to them. Hey, I can come up with a secret. You never know. Okay, so we got these. What? 1, 2. Oh, I got points. How come only one of them gave me points? Sundays have the lowest average viewer. Interesting. Only one of them gave me points. Why did one of them give me points? Wait, the first one gave me points. Oh, it's because I didn't add the mission, right? No. No, see, yeah, these are all connected to the mission. Tatami Post 2 and 3. Did it complete that mission that I added? It did. How come the first one did? Let's double check the mission logic real quick. Mission. What is it? Save mission. Yeah, okay. So, save mission. No, let's look up breakable. Okay. So we do this when I hit an item. When I hit an item, I check all this junk. Where's the mission? So this is for the timer. We don't care about that. Okay. If it's breakable and mission. Oh. It doesn't have a mission attached to it. Wait, this is only for strong. Why is this only for strong? This is only for strong. For science and technology, usually have the highest average view with 5.5. Interesting stat. Okay, so blah blah blah. Well, this is definitely working because it's breakable, so it removes it. But save mission is going through, so that's good. I wonder if this is getting hit. When that mission went through. Yeah, I knew I added logic for multiple items for the timer, and that's what this is. And it looks at the missions somehow. Like start timer. No, doesn't care about the timer now that I think about it. I mean, it doesn't care about the missions. I think it's just based off of the timer. Lowest average viewer day is higher than the highest average viewer day for science and technology. Make sense? Yeah, game development and software development, that's what I do. Science and technology is too broad. Okay. So, do I need to come up with a whole new logic? Because basically all that's happening is this. I mean, this has to be getting triggered, otherwise I don't know where the hell the mission would be getting triggered from. But if that's the case, then I need to make sure that there are no other items with a mission attached with the same name. Which I definitely do that. I remember doing logic for that. Where I check. Yeah, where the hell did I do that? Shit. Might have been... This is the only... Oh, let's look for more breakable. Where else do we have? Yeah, I guess this is it. Oh, should remove item on load? No. Both average. Yeah, I guess I don't have anything. I feel like I used to. I just don't want to like duplicate logic. Set dot mission. So this is part of after cutscene. Okay, we don't care about that. For the Science and Technology, Wednesdays has the lowest average of 3.5. Wah, wah, wah. Mission completed. This is the draggable function. Maybe I did it here, and that's what I'm confusing it with. Because on key down, so we're dragging, and completed mission. Interesting. That's a mission. How do I know if the mission... No, see, this doesn't look right either. There was a piece of logic where I was looking at if the mission exists at all. And it checks. Alright, let's double check. No, wasn't you. Here? We got no point, drag test, mission item, no point, no. Really need to write down some fucking notes. I don't even know what I'm looking at right now. Collectible. Oh, well, here's one thing for collectible. If that and that. Save mission. Okay. That's just for collectible. Trigger cutscene, no. No. Alright, I think I'm gonna be forced to make this logic. Markers, oh, makers and crafting Saturdays at the highest. That makes sense. You wanna watch people make stuff on Saturday? Okay. First I wanna see if this is triggering. So let's do that. We'll restart, try it out. Oh, interesting. Only one came back. Why? Which one? Which one are you? You are post 3. So is 2 in the database? Let me double check. Actually, I can just check the variable. Oh, look, hey got hit. Yeah, this did get hit. Interesting. Look, it got hit again. It's actually saving it. It's saving it, but there's no mission. So what the oh, it does have a mission. Oh, yeah, it does have a mission, but the mission's already completed. Is game dev a form of art? No, I don't think so. Yeah, I mean, of course it is. Anything's a form of art that you're making, right? You're being creative. I mean, I definitely do artwork during game dev, like with the graphics and stuff. So yeah, I mean, you're making moving art. So I consider that art. It's like digital art. Okay, so this is definitely getting hit. So that means that this is true, yes. And this is true, yes. And this is true, yes. But can character interact? Strong. Oh, okay. It checks if it is strong too, so that's the only reason why it's checking. Got it. So no, that doesn't matter. And then that's null and that's null. Yeah, okay. Okay, so this is actually, this makes sense why it's getting hit. But I need to add one more thing. And that's if is no no other item attached to mission. That's a mouthful. What is going on? Can be simplified. Oh, can it? I doubt that. Let's see, what does it look like simplified? True or true. Okay, and that, and that, and that, and null and that. Okay, so something about the trigger. Let me go back and just double check. So I think I'm looking for undefined has trigger as well, which it doesn't feel is necessary. I'm going to keep it though, because I know that it works right now. Okay, let's make this function. For Maker and Crafting Tuesdays has the lowest average viewer count of 8.6. Oh, that's pretty good, even for lowest. Alright. Let's do this. And let's pass the mission name. So let's do that. Value.dataset.mission. Okay. And we're going to check if any other items exist with that. Return. Document. Query selector. So it's going to be undefined. Not equal. Oh, no. 0. 1 is less than. One is greater than or equal to. There we go. And it's going to be data mission. Ooh, but this has to be specifically for a map item. So it's going to be map item, data mission. For just chatting, Saturday's just the highest average viewer. Oh, that's pretty low. There's a lot of just chattings though. And depending on who the chatter is, yeah, I can see it not getting a lot of people. Oh, just catting. That's silly. I totally misread that. That's funny. Just catting. Ooh, I want to watch just catting. That sounds fun. Alright. Map item data mission. Okay. Oh. Whoops. Equals. Duh. The whole point of this was to do this. Nishon. There we go. And this is check if there are any other items that trigger the same mission. Wait, yeah, whatever. You get the point. Okay. And so we got that. We got the mission. Cool. Great. So let's redo this. Did it go? It didn't go. I wonder why it didn't go. So my logic should have actually allowed it to go through. Yeah, because the logic is I'm passing the mission. It's attached to the tatami mat, and then I'm checking if I'm. Oh, you know what? No, because it's got to be a map item. Let me reset. Oh god, no, I did not mean to do that. So this mat is a map item, right? Yeah. Map item. Data mission. Practice kendo. Uh-huh. Okay, so map item. Practice kendo. Yeah, so it has it. It should be true. Well, wait. Is 1 greater than or equal to... Oh, I'm dumb. Blank. I forgot to do that. Actually, I'm probably going to need to check if it exists first. Item, missions. Always check if shit exists. Alright. Grand. For just chatting, Mondays have the highest average viewer, 19.3. It's pretty good. People love their chatters. Not their catters. Alright. So I'll need to do a return false at the bottom here. Just in case. Alright. Let's jump in here. And this should actually work now. I should be able to trigger this mission, because technically this is the last one. Okay, good. Alright, let's restart the game, and let's see if the mission doesn't trigger until the last one now. Lego. Do. Punch, 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 punch. Yeah, barrage of punches. Definitely have to... Oh my god. Oh, what a rude bully. Out my way, dude. I'm coming too. Alright. Alright. And let's go check out the tatami mats. I actually don't block it off yet, so this should work fine. Alright, here we go. We get our tatami mats. Now, let's collect our sword. I mean, I could punch him, but let's do this first. Ugh, god damn it. Oh, okay. It didn't collect my sword. Thanks. Okay, so for in real life, Saturdays have the highest of 20. Yep, IRL and just chatting tend to get those specific streamers that garnish the male attention. Sword should still be there. Okay, good. Okay. There we go. Got my sword. Oh. It didn't work. What the hell? Doesn't this have the goddamn size? On the data? Oh, it doesn't. I did not think about that. That's right. I need to add the size. Okay, well the size needs to... Oh, it should have been on the actual item itself that I removed. Shite. Right? Because... Where's weapons? Oh no, this is just an item on the map. So let's go to the function. And weapons. I should add the height and the width as data points. I'm pretty sure I do. I went over that crap. Let's just see if it's there. Data width. Oh, it's not. Data height. Okay, I need to do that. That's the problem. Weapons need to output with that size. Shit. Yeah, width. Width and height. So where's explore width and height? Just so I can double check. That would be... Nowhere. Okay. Just double check. Explore width. Oops, width. Okay, here we go. It's inline styles. Yeah. Which is fine for the item, but not for the data points. Alright, that's it. Okay. Data. So here we need to add, if it exists, width and height. For DOTA 2, Mondays have the highest speed. 25.6. Dead on arrival. Oh wait, what is DOTA 2? Dota. Is it Diablo? No. Can't think of the name of the game. Alright. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Okay, where's all the... Dota 2 is a 2013 multiplayer online battle arena video game by Valve. Oh, it's called Dota. I thought it was standing for something. Interesting. Alright, here we go. I need width and height. Width. Width. Height. Height. And if they exist... Did I put data... weapon or something? Can't remember. Weapon. I know I do stuff with weapon, but... That's equipped, which I'm not using apparently. Defense of the Ancients. Oh, okay. Got it. So it does stand for something. That sounds cool. Oh, I gotta make a new metal cover of another Weaver song. I mean, Weezer song. Oh, here we go. Right. So let's just add a couple more here. Explore. Wait, no. Yeah. Weapon. And false equals empty. Width. And yes, correct. Do height. I guess I could just take the style width and height, actually, now that I think about it, and save myself all this goddamn trouble. Shoot, I should have just did that. I'm dumb. Undo. Added a bunch of work for nothing. Me bad. Me bad. Okay. Back here. So what happens when I weapon? I need to collect it. Weapons. Here we go. Set attribute. Yes, it's for the menu item. It's for the equip. Equip. Well, no. It's for the collect. I need to set shit for it. Yeah, because by default, this doesn't have anything in it. But when I refresh, I add data width and height, I'm pretty sure. Just double check that. I do. Data width and height, yeah. So I have to add that on collect. So that's fine. So okay, so that's just the image. Yeah, where's the actual... Oh, okay, the menu items right here. So I need to take menu item. Oh, if it's a weapon. Yeah, here we go. Assign width, height on collect. For Grand Theft Auto 5, Mondays have the highest of 15. Man, games get so many more views. People are watching games. I mean, if I was just looking for views and subscribers or followers, I would just play games all day. It's just not as fun to me. Set attribute. Data width equals. And now this is going to be the item dot style dot width dot replace. Right. It's just a number, right? Yeah. Great. Grand. Let's do this again for height. And then now we should be good to go. Grand. Okay. Restart, try again, Lego. There we go. Boom. Go. Nice. Uh-huh. Yep. Skip. I should probably just allow you to skip cutscenes with the space bar like I do for talking cutscenes. Actually, I think I guess I do. Yeah. Though for videos I need to make sure it... No, yeah. It should work actually now that I think about it. Okay. Here we go. Let's see if this works now. First off, let's double check that the styling is how I said it is. Yeah, height and width are set. Cool. Alright. Wait. Let me double check. Shoot. Image. Oh. Never mind. Alright, let's see if this works. I'm going to collect you. Boop. Now let's see what you look like here. Good. And if I immediately equip you... Fudge! it didn't get it. Oh yeah, look, it didn't set. I wonder why. Looks like the item I'm selecting is the image. Item, but I'm trying to get item. What is item? Yeah, I'm trying to explore the item. And these have all the data attributes. Shoot. Oh, that's not gonna work. One more time. You like looking at stats and data? Cool, man. You should be a data scientist. I don't know, maybe you are. Gosh darn it. I ain't having to restart the entire game. Okay, hold on. Let's just double check. So when you collect an item, the item gets sent here. Yay! It gets sent here. You get all the attributes, value, ID, all that kind of stuff. And then I'm trying to grab the style. The width, specifically, which I saw. Now I'm starting to think that was on the image though. So I might have to actually query the image. Which in that case I can just use item image. Which is right here. I mean right here. Alright, let's double check. It's just like balloons. Whoops. Alright. Let's double check if I was right. So the styling, is it on the image? No. It's not. Oh, it's part of the fucking style sheet. It's not actually part of the styles. Damn. I didn't think about that. Shit. So I am gonna have to add that as a data point. Everything I was gonna do was right. Oh, that's so frustrating. I mean, technically I could grab the styling. What is it again? Grab style sheet style from DOM.js. No, see, that's just a style. I'm talking about the actual style sheet property. Style sheets, no. CSS values. See, that's inline style. Oh, computed style. Right. And that gets all the styles. And then I can get the style back. Okay, let's try that. So this is item style equals get computed style item. That's gonna be item style dot width style dot height. Is that how it works? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Item style. Yeah. Okay. That should work. So before I collect this, refresh. Refresh again. And now when I collect this, I should be getting the right thing. Yes! So now when I equip, it's the right size! Woohoo! Alright. Good, we're good. That was a nice little bug. I say, hell yeah. Hey, Indy! I was not expecting you. I saw you earlier. Unless that was just like a ghost Indy. I mean, I did have your guy floating around, so. But, hey man, this ain't your job. I appreciate you coming every time, but, you know, don't feel too obligated if you're busy. Life happens. Picking up chicks and stuff. I keep starting soon video by accident. Alright. Your friend spending the night. Oh, okay. Nice. Oh yeah, you told me that was happening. That's awesome, man. You guys are gonna have fun. Having fun. Let's go. Okay. So, now we can finally test. Oh wait, no, we can't. Where the hell's the mission? Ah, I gotta fucking do everything. Arrgh. That sucks. Alright, let's complete all the missions. I already did that one. So disarm the rock. See, I need to make this not happen. This shouldn't show up if I leave the area. Well, technically I'm not going to be able to leave the area, so I guess I can get away from this. Seems like disarm the rocket shouldn't show up until I do the... whatchamacallit, Bylon mission. So I don't know why that keeps showing up. Even though I'm not doing anything. Alright. Cool. Rearranging furniture. I should make it slower when you grab something. That'd probably be a little bit more realistic. I do make him complain about carrying heavy furniture in the book. I shouldn't even have this katana yet. So that might screw with my mission. Or, no, maybe not. Maybe. Alright. Everybody has a sword. Ah, ghost sword. Wait, what? It didn't get rid of the fire. Why? What did I do? It failed. Yeah, okay. Let's switch weapons back to fist. Might be why. Oh, disarm rocket. Right. Where did the fire mission go? Everything's all screwed up because I went to the condo early. Shouldn't have done that. You shouldn't have done that. Hey, Dak dude. What up, Mang? Let's restart the screen avatars. We got some stoof. boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. Seems we're good. Okay. So, let's see if we can get away with this. I know it hurt me, but it's worth it. Come on. I love the little fist. Yeah, I need to come up with a way of making sure I can control the styling for each one. I mean, I know I already can, but it's not very dynamic. There we go. Move the rocket, even though it's on fire. And okay, let's finish the blade device, even though it's on fire. Ow, 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 ow. Like how it still hurts you. Alright. Let's see what we can do with this minigame. Let's do some programming. You know what's going to make this game? Sound effects, for sure. Alright, transpose. Alright, let's watch our video. And then it should send us to the condo. Hey, I figured it out. I figured out how to do transportation. Next cutscene. Hey everybody, I figured out how to do transportation. Ooh, that's really cool, man. I know, yeah, that's really great. Definitely. What the fuck is this letter? That's what the next one will say. And the next one will be like, hey, Graham, how's it going, man? Heard you finished transportation. That's awesome. I'll be like, thanks? Shit. It didn't give me the mission. Oh, because I finished the mission, but it didn't give me the other mission. God damn it. Alright, I definitely screwed up by coming here first. Well, let's just do this anyways. See what happens. Ah, yeah. Speedrun, yeah. Hey, it worked. Okay, my test worked. It waited until all the tatami mats were gone and it triggered the mission. Woo! Alright. I think that's party time. Okay, let's see. So we need to leave. Then when I leave, it should be good to go. Okay. So what I really wanted to work on, so all three of them should be gone now. Wrong. Great. Okay. So here's the issue here. Here is what the issue is here. I shouldn't remove them until... Well, I just shouldn't remove them. I should hide them. And once the last one's gone, I need to take all three and add them to the explore point variable. So that being said, the part where I'm checking data mission, yeah, this part. So here I should not remove. If This is false. No other item attached to mission. Yeah, really, I mean, I shouldn't remove anything. Well, maybe it doesn't matter. No, because it's removing them, it doesn't matter. Okay. Yeah. So this is right. This is right. So, false equals no other item attached to mission. Or true. So I'll only remove the last one. And when it does, this one will also get hit. So in save mission, I'm gonna need to add all of them. Am I looking for all of them? I am not. So what am I doing? I'm getting the mission. Okay. The value. Okay. I think I'm already doing it where I can put multiple in. Right? Right? Multiple items. Like position can be an array, right? Oh yeah, right here. So if position is an array and it doesn't include, oh, that's only for hazard removal array. And that's so I can remove multiple items. That's different. So the real logic is I need to get all the items. Mission saving doesn't change, but the persist item removal will not happen. Wait. Yeah, okay. That's different. But value. So which one in run opponent animation? Because I know I run persist item removal for this one too. No, and user points. I think I'm just using. What am I using? Persist item removal. So I'm using position. Which can't. Position can be an array. Persist items. Oh, right. You can add multiple. So do I separately add all of them to persist item removal? Maybe. Still need to save mission. Yeah, I think that's what I need to do. So where was I? Here. So that's good. It won't remove until it's the last one. And once it is the last one, here it is right here. Else if false equals no other item attached to mission. Value.data set.mission. Oh, we need to do this as well. Okay. So in this case, we'll do persist item removal. And we'll pass the item, which is the same thing we'd pass here. Value, or is it position? Position. Hey, Indy's back. And amount. What am I doing? Amount, which is the points, which I can't do properly here. So amount, and I'm pretty sure amount is like everything added up. Position has removed. Type amount. Where's amount coming from? Yeah, see, amount's a whole thing. Really should do a util function for amount. Data amount. Yeah, but what is amount? It's new amount. Yeah, it's plus current points. Yeah. Current points comes from get current points or something, right? Current points. It's getting too complicated. I hate the point thing. I feel like I can make this easier by just allowing to send multiple items to save mission. And doing what I said I wanted to do originally, which was this. Oh wait. Interact with item. Right. It's going alright. Just trying to get the whole logic down for the multi-item save mission. Okay, so when I interact with item, the item, if it has... I just need to hide it. I need to hide it if it's... Let's say, because if it gets here, if item is breakable, and it gets here, then that means that it was definitely part of another group. So we'll do if true equals item.dataset dot breakable. Then we'll just take the item dot style display, and we'll just display none. So technically still there, but it's just hidden. So, and then when that happens, we'll have the last save mission here, right? And position needs to add all the items. And position right now comes from here, which comes from here, just the item's name that you're interacting with. So what I need to do is this. Position position equals let's do this. multi-item equals document. Pretty much the same thing I did over in this check here. Parse sector all. Here we do map item data mission equals the same goddamn mission. That's gonna be the value of data set mission. Cool. So if multi-item will update position to be an array. Position equals, so value is the object, position is just the name. So we'll actually have to loop through and make an array of names. How about that? Item for each item name equals the multi-item position push the multi-item dot, was it clean class name? Class name. There we go. Grand. We'll do position equals empty array to start. And then we'll reset it. Will that work? So what's value for if I'm passing mission? So I know I'm passing position here. I do check if it's an array, but only if it's a hazard removal, which I don't think it is. Yeah. So that doesn't matter. 1 point animation. We have position, which just gets passed straight to user points. And position collectible. Remove item from storage points. That might get in the way. Oh no, you have to specify if it's collectible. Alright. And then we add it here. Just checking if it's not part of explore points variable already. Add it there. Blah blah blah. Okay, this might be a problem because I'm pushing an array then. So I might need to check if it's an array first. Because if you push an array, so now I need to push to this in a for each if it's an array. So let's go back to this. And position comes from here. This right here, I need to know this. I'm on the tablet now. What up, tablet? What up? You know what that means? 2 thumbs up. Tablet fireworks. Actually, I saw this. This was kind of cool last time. If I can get it to work. Why it's not working? I did it so like I wasn't even in the frame. It just looked like there was a bunch of fireworks. Ugh. Beautiful 720. Boo. I only look good in 1080. Alright. We're back here. Going straight to here. And the whole point of this is do this. And false. Else if true. Yeah, I don't want to add it twice, so we'll do blah 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 blah. And that. Then we do a for each. Well, I guess we can do a for. Name as alright. Thanks, Indy. I'll catch you in the next one, my friend. Have a good one with your friend. No. Whatever, we'll just do position dot position name. And then we'll do the same shit. And we'll add them all. Great. Okay. That's good. And this can be an array, right? Item. Shit. I think it can. I know I can pass an array, so yeah. Just don't know if an array of an array is possible. Might have to check. Yeah, let's do that. If what was that shit that I was just doing? This array check here. Yeah. So we'll do the same thing. If false, we'll push. Else, we'll just make persist items equals position or item. There we go. That should work. Dak dude. Alright, this is a lot of blind coding. I'm going to test this, and if it works or doesn't work, I'm going to leave. But it will work, because I say so. We'll start new and give it a shot. Oh damn, I dropped frames. The hell that happened? Sorry about that. I did not mean to. I didn't even realize I did. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to come up with a whole notification system. There's a lot of directions I need to give about controls. Like the fact you can use shift or spacebar to drag things. And honestly, interacting with spacebar is just kind of like how I do it, but once you have weapons and stuff, probably not going to want to do that. Otherwise, you're going to be swinging your sword at everybody to talk to them and shit. Why does that keep happening? Why do I keep being random missions, not getting caught? Position is not the... Oh shit, I fucked it up. Whoops. That's my bad. Correct, it's item, not position. That is my bad. And it screwed it up, so it didn't remove the item. And she should not be here. Yeah. Awesome. I screwed that up. Retest. God damn it. Alright, this is the last try. And if something gets screwed up here, I'm just going. I don't have the patience for this anymore. No one's watching anyways. Dum 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 dum. I always do that. My bad. Oops. Alright, will it work this time? You're overloading. Consider turning down the video settings or using a faster encoding parser. Why am I using a slow encoding parser? Parser. Oh, here's the encoding. It's normal. Bit rate's a little high, I guess, but not really. Yeah, I don't have the... Oh, here we go. Fast. Faster. Apply. Maybe that'll work better. Alright, that worked. Looks like the missions are back the way they should be. Okay, looks like I did not punch the button this time, hopefully. Let's go. I might have. And if I did, this is all for naught. Go. Go, go, go. Nice. I did it. Let's move the rocket. Still being overloaded. I changed the encoding to faster. Yeah, whatever. It's just a damn bit rate. Alright. Let's finish the device. And do the cutscene and get to the condo. All for a test. How many times have I done this? Oops. Fuck. I got it wrong. I really need to put like a fail message. Try again. I should reset it. Alright. Cutscene. Yeah, and I also need to put like what you got wrong maybe. That way, you know. Actually, I guess it doesn't matter. It's not like you're gonna know how to pick out how to do it. And this should send me over to the condo now. Where the fuck is my mission? I redid this whole thing to get the mission. Hold on, let me double check the missions. I must have not done this right. Practice kendo. Oh, collect your katana. Yeah, that's a condo mission. Where the fuck is it? What? We've got collect your katana. The katana. And condo. Like, what else do you need? That's it. Why isn't it showing up though? Collect your katana. Right here. Next mission. It's not a next. Okay, I think I screwed up. I think I made it a next mission of finish your blade device or something. No. What the hell did I make it the next mission of? It has a next mission. Well, what? Did I add it to the practice kendo? Oh, I might have. No. I didn't. See, this should have practice kendo, right? Yeah, practice kendo. Oh, is this supposed to be a slug? I don't remember. Let's double check. Yeah, slug. I should really put whether those are slugs or not. Okay. I wonder if this will just trigger it to show up. Though it's kind of weird that it's not showing up. Oh. Okay. So now it's showing up. That's weird. Shouldn't have to require. Or maybe it's just the new area didn't work. Like it didn't. Oh, maybe. Ooh, look. Tatami mats. Okay, so that worked. Great. Now let's switch to the to the sword. I should make fists not able to break certain things too. Like strong isn't enough. Strong is for John. Like I need another option for like strong weapon, or I don't know. Maybe strong is good for breakable items. If it's Graham and it's strong, then he can't do it with his fists, but he could do it with a sword. So pop, chop, and pop. Oh, fucking great, it didn't work. I was supposed to get rid of this. Why? Why didn't you work? There's not even a goddamn error. It should have worked fine. Why? Damn. I don't actually know. That should have completed the mission. It didn't do anything. Okay, well that just shows that my logic's wrong then. The whole persist item array thing. So let's figure that out. Well, there's no way save mission even happened, because the mission is still there. So that means it got blocked before this. Oops. Okay. It's gotta be before this. It's gotta be in the, oops. In the save mission over here. Run point animation. Alright, here. No, not here. I guess here. No, that must have been the one I clicked. My bad. I meant this. Okay. So why is this not working? So this is definitely, I mean, this should be getting triggered. So timeout starts. Check if it's an array. Oh, that's different. Yeah, I really didn't do anything crazy. Alright, I'm done. I give up. You win today, video game bug. Hey, thanks everybody who's jumped on today. I will gladly raid somebody right now. If anybody's on, which is probably not the case. Oh, actually we do. We have a handful of people. We have Mr. Final, so that's Jedum. Let's do the cool Pokemon style game. Tamagotchi style. Alright. Thanks everybody. You have a fantastic night. Thanks for jumping on. Thanks for watching. And thanks for watching in the future if you're watching then. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Happy weekend. Bye-bye.